snakes right there down below. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right down below. A couple of snakes. You can see there's definitely some snakes right there in the water. See some turtles. So we're gonna have to be extra cautious. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of snakes in the swamp. I should have put on my snake boots. Let's hope I can remember the way, but along the way, gotta be very careful for wildlife and the habitats and nature that's here. The beautiful San Jacinto River cuts through this park on the back end. And not too many people know about it. You'd have to go through a hiking trail to get to this part, but you know, the park is in the front part. Let's go check it out though, because I'm here, I know about it. Oh boy, this is treacherous, no? All right, well, hey, come with me, come fly with me. Let's go check this out and see. I usually go down further down, but I haven't figured out the right trail to get there, how to get there. Oh, okay, oh yeah, this is more more conducive, and this is, because if I went that way, I would have slid on this, well, you know. It's all about making better choices. Ooh. All right, well, I am here, and this is a salt river. Well, it's brackish, right? So I brought both of my rods, and as soon as I figure out the mystery of entanglement, I will continue. All right, so for those of you who've seen my last video, I decided to, especially during brackish waters, to get a bobber, leader line, and got my rooster tail. And now I know there's a lot of koi, carp, and catfish in here. Not so much bass. Ever since the hurricanes and the funky weather, this river has lost its freshness per se. But all right, that was the first cast. Let's see what happens. not feed or harass the wildlife. Oh, I love the Cypress Swamp. This area is less swampy. I mean, you know, the water levels are low here, except that it's raining now. But I'm really glad it's not a trail and this actual boardwalk here. I wouldn't want to be walking down on those wetlands. What is this? It's a bunny rabbit? You never know what you're going to find when you go into the woods.